Morning, laundry department. This is Rosan speaking. How may I assist you today, ma'am?
Good morning. I'd like to have my laundry collected, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your room number, please?
608.
Thank you. Room 608. I will there shortly to collect your laundry. Housekeeping laundry service. Housekeeping laundry service. Housekeeping laundry service. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rose Ann from the laundry department. I'm here to collect your laundry.
Here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. I check and count the items before sending them to the laundry.
Okay.
This is your one black pants. And this is your white long sleeve. All items are noted, ma'am. Your laundry will be returned within tomorrow afternoon. Thank you and have a nice day.